Hi guys, welcome back. So this is JD. In this video, we'll be going to talk about stop loss, right? Stop loss in trading market. So let me start with a simple introduction to the stop loss. As the name shows, stop loss means you need to stop your losses, right? It's very simple. Don't be jumbled out with the complex terminologies like what is stop loss market, and what will happen, all this kind of stuff. It's very simple, guys. Let's say today you bought something at around 100 rupees, right? And you want it to grow like around to 140, 50 or something. You need a 40% or 50% growth. But on that case, we only predict, right? Whatever in the stock market we predict or we assume something, depending on some data or some news or whatsoever. The stuff is that if that will not grow, or that particular script will not go to 140, and it will start decaying, right? Instead of going to 140, it will come down to 80, 70, 60. Something happened, right? So on that case, what about your principal? What about your investment, right? On a single trade, you will lose around everything. You have 100 rupees, you lost around 60 rupees or 40 rupees, then left with 60. One more trade, the same thing happen. Few more trade, the same thing happen. You will be lost, and you will not like the trading market. You'll say, "Oh, this is a nasty market," and all that kind of stuff. So let me put this in this way: you bought something at 100 rupees. Before that, let me show you the Geotha Kite application. The last video I told you that is a great application. I like this instead of the Geotha mobile. So this time we will continue trades with Geotha Kite only, so mobile application. And okay, so giving into your example, let's buy 7350 put June option, right? I need to buy this, okay? And we assume like we have already a positions in this market, like I have already short 7350 one lot. So now I'll put a stop loss around I bought it, let's say 20 or 17 rupees. Now 2 rupees decays, I'll just put a stop loss, right? So you can see then for the stop loss there are two options: stop loss and stop loss market. This is nothing, it's very simple. If when you press stop loss only on that price, on that point, there will be two options for that, like one is for price option and one is for trigger price, right? So trigger price what, where your trading will be activated, right? So when you are buying something, the trigger price should be less than the price, and when I selling something, the trigger price will be greater than the price. So this is a basic funda that you need to follow. And I don't follow the stop loss normally. I only follow the stop loss market because it will give you a single price input option like trigger price. So that is very handy for me. So let's say I have already shorted 7350 one lot at 17 rupees, and I'll put a stop loss for that around 15 rupees, right? So I'll put this, and it's very simple. If you want to put stop loss, then on that case you can apply the price also. So I'll buy back if the script goes down and touches 15 rupees, so that on that case I don't have to wait like if it will go to 15, 14, 13 or somewhere, and I'm still hoping that the market will go up and I'll recover money and get some profit, because usually that never happened, right guys? Because the big fish of the market don't let you do on this top. So let's put this trade, confirm. Yeah, orders placed. So I can see my orders over here. As this is Sunday, so you can't see any exit order. So that order is rejected. I think this is the, yeah. I have placed a order type of stop loss market, and the status is rejected. I don't know why, and the trigger price is 15. So this is our order. So guys, what I'm saying to you that stop loss is a kind of a term that is being hated by lots of traders, but to be very frank guys, stop loss is the only stop that will help you. So let's say your success factor is 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3, right? So out of 4 trades, if you succeed only one time, okay, if you succeed only one time, and you are not putting your stop losses, so on that case what will happen? You make some profit, and you know something in the trading, when you book losses it will be big, when you book profit it will be less. So this is a fact about it. Now if you are new, then I think this will help you. So if your success factor is 1 is to 3, on that case you in the 3 trades you will be losing money. Let's say every trade you are losing around 200 rupees, and the success also, that is the only one trade you will be getting around 200 rupees. So what is the PNL, profit and loss? For 3 trades it's minus 600 rupees, and for one trade it's only plus 200 rupees. So the profit is minus of 400 rupees. So for the beginners I must say the profit is will always be 1 is to 3 or something, or sometimes it's 0 also. So guys, always use stop loss, in, let's say, out of the month, every day you are putting a order, and every day it's hitting the stop loss. But one day will come, it will not hit your stop loss, and it will go up and up and up, and that profit will be actually bigger than everyday's loss of the month. You may see, actually this is a similar stuff I have tried one day. One particular month I got this similar kind of scenario. I made around, out of 5,000 rupees, I made around 20 or 23,000 rupees, and every day I'm losing around 100, 200, 300, 100, 200, 300, the same repetition. Sometimes it goes on profit like 500 rupees profit and all that. But at the end of the month, because the day will come, actually the day will, every day you cannot expect this kind of stuff, but one day will come when the market will externally move, it will not hit your stop losses. So guys, use this one stop loss. This might not excite you, but the stuff is that it will reduce the stop, it will reduce your losses, right? And on the top of it there is a hack, you may say. I like to tell that kind of a stuff. If you want to buy or sell something and you need to protect your cash by putting a stop loss, instead of that, do one thing. You have a script, let's say, yeah, if I find out one more trade, find out 8,000 call for zone, right? Not for bank nifty and in nifty. Nifty is nowadays doing good. So this is one script. I don't know why the price is like this. Okay, Sunday, that's why. Okay, no issues. Yeah, it got it. Okay, guys, I'm having some fever, so excuse me for that. So now, what is the trick? You always need to buy something, right? I will tell you to buy and protect your money. So for this script, Okay. Here I can't see the ATP, but anyways, guys, uh, so there are three prices for a particular script, right? Low, high, and ATP. If a script is hovering around the lower end, then that is going in the losses and going to downside, right? So on that script, need to short it. When something is hovering at the high, then that is doing good, and we need to buy this, right? So every day at the morning, at the start, at the first 1 hour, like at the end of the 45 to 1 hour, you should do what? You buy the calls, or you buy some script above its ATP, like 1 point more than the ATP, right? 1 or 2 points, depending on 2, 2, 3% or 5% more than the ATP, right? And on that point, you just put a stop loss market, and let's say if 15 is the ATP, or 15.5 is the ATP, and then I'll buy at 16, right? I'll buy at 16. Yeah. So this is a trade. This is also created. So what will happen by this? The script is moving in 15, 15, 15, and you expect that 15.5 is that ATP for that stop. So when it will go and it will break the 15.5 and will touch that 16, that means it has some potential and it will go up. So on that case, you don't need to miss this trade. So prior to that, you can put a stop loss buying order at 16, so that whenever it will break 15.5 and will reach to 16, it will obviously go to 17, right? 17 and 18. So on that point, you buy at 16. It will automatically bought as you have placed stop loss market. The same way for the selling order also. So on that way, you will definitely get some best up. And if you will in every script, if you will put this kind of a order, then out of 10 trades, only 2 or 3 trades will hit, and out of the 2 or 3 trades, your success ratio will be at least no 3 is to 1. What I'm saying, success is 3 is to 1. Out of 4 trades, you will be getting 3 success and 1 failure. Okay. And so on that point also, you need to follow the stop loss kind of stuff. So guys, so this is a little bit of trick that I told you, and I think this will help you in the future trading sessions for you. And guys, if you like this video, please share this and subscribe my channel, so that I can make some more videos for you. And you can also comment on those videos, so that I'll follow those comments and I'll make some more videos for you guys. So thank you.